Hey there guys! So today I'm going to show you how to make milk sounds on Vegas Pro 12. So we gotta wait until the splash screen comes in. So we're going into Explorer. So choose the video what you want. And try going to the audio chain and press OK. And select the preset SYS Vibrato 3. So let's try duplicating the track. So do it 3 times in a row. Now going to properties, and we're gonna go to elastic, and we're gonna select the pitch change to 5 and select the pitch change to -5. Now we're going into the video effects. And we're going to New Blue Me Wiggle. And we're going to select my preset milk sounds. Now we're going to go into Sony Gradient Map. Now we're going to put on pitch white milk sounds milk. And now we're gonna put on my favorite animal, what I just put on. And put on to final better version, my zoom. And we're gonna watch this effect. Click play button to see how it looks like. This is how we make the effect milk sounds. Wow. Wow, you just figured out it to make milk sounds. Wow, you just figured out to make milk sounds.